This is Claire from Claire's Culinary Adventures. You're looking at my Orinoco banana plant. I bought it earlier this year in May and I've been growing it. I did show it in a couple other videos, but I never talked about it. So we're going to talk about it today. Um, it's when I bought it. Well, let me show you what it looked like when it came to me. This is this little thing. This little thing. It looked like it wasn't even as tall as my finger. It came in this little pot just like this. And I thought it was gonna die. I didn't think it was gonna live. Anyway, I put it in a little pot, moved it around the yard, for sun and stuff, and then it started growing. So I moved it to this plastic bucket you're looking at here now. And, every other week or two, it put on a leaf. And so it's been doing pretty good in the sun. And, it's out in the sun because banana loves sun. Why did I buy it? Well, look at these. This is what some of them look like from the people I bought it from, the pictures. So some people get them with only one bunch. Some get two, some get more. Why did I buy it? I bought it because it can take the cold. They say it can take temperatures of up to 15 degrees. No, I don't know about that, and I will try not to let it get to that kind of temperature. But anyway, I like it because it's cold hardy, and I also like that it bears between 6 to 9 months. And what else? Anyway, I'll keep telling you more about it. But those are some of the two of the main things I like about this tree. It doesn't get too big. It goes like between 6 to 8 inches high or 6 to 7 inches high. Different places tell you different things. But I'm looking forward to when it doesn't put on any sucker yet. But as I say, look, it's putting out a new shoot, a new leaf. Yeah. Anyway, I'm looking forward to see if it will survive the cold. To see if it will survive the cold, because this is September, and we know what's coming. And for me to get a banana. Now I saw this lady in either North or South Carolina. She had one and she was complaining, oh, they say banana can grow here. And her banana shooted after about 9 months or so. And she had some nice looking banana. When then the cold came and she put some kind of thing around it. And to tell you the truth, it never survived and she chopped it down. So, I keep coming outside to take different pictures. So as you can see, the leaf that was pushing up is now out. So I look forward to, showing you what about this Orinoco. It's called dwarf Orinoco banana. Now I see some people cutting off the bottom leaves, which I shouldn't have. And I'm going to show you why I shouldn't have. But they cut it off, and see, here is where I cut off like 4 of the bottom leaves. But that was a bad idea. Back in Jamaica, we don't cut off no leaf. My father used to grow them down a bush, below the yard. And we never cut off no leaf. The only time you cut off leaf is when the leaf dry. That's how we used to do it. Not we, but my dad. I've never grown a banana. Well, yes, I did grow banana when I got my first house in Jamaica. But anyway, this is where it is right now. But it's not doing well with the bottom leaves gone. I have to be making sure to put, because it keeps falling over. I have to make sure to put more water in there each day, and I even put a stone inside of it, but it still topple over. So I moved it from this location at the moment, and I put it across by itself because it keeps falling over and messing up my pepper trees. Oh, this is a this is my gungo tree. Well, two of them. I have two gungo tree, but the banana is what we're about right now. And so see, it's big. It's getting bigger and putting on new shoots every day. So we'll see what happens if it survives the winter. I am looking at it that it's September now. If it survives the winter, then it should be here next year, hopefully, and put on fruit before winter come again next year. Yeah. So I know you're hoping with me. I would love to have bought a Cavendish because Cavendish is more like Gros Michel for us. We say Gros Michel, but I think it's Gros Michel. Anyway, this is what I have right now, and I just have to live with it. So I'm gonna show you now what's been happening with the banana. It keeps toppling over because it's unbalanced, because it's missing the bottom leaves. The bottom leaves help kind of keep it, grounded. They have some weight on them too, and that was a bad idea. So I'm just telling you in case you buy one and you see other people talking about cutting off the bottom leaves. Leave your bottom leaves. They don't need to be cut off. It's not doing anything to the plant, I think. So that's that. So I moved it and put it right over here. Right? I put it over there because it keeps falling over on the pepper trees. But look, it fall over again every day. It was very windy a couple of days, to tell you the truth. And every time I take it up, it fall over again, losing soil and everything. So I plan to take it out of this bucket anyway and put it in a bigger container so it can go through the winter. But anyway, what else have I been up to? These are the things I've been up to. I've been picking and sorting peppers, making sauces, making pepper powder, making pickle, and sold some already, and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna show you the video when I did the fermented sauce. This is the sauce. This is just Scotch bonnet pepper and some, you know, stuff. And I have since bottled them. Here is some of them. I'm just waiting to get some labels, some proper labels to put on them. So I've been selling. See, some of them are missing. Been selling. So yeah, I want to get some proper labels. I have the big bottle and I have the small one, just from Scotch bonnet peppers, and like carrots and stuff like that. And I have another red one that I am doing. It's just gonna be these peppers is what I have in there. I have the ghost pepper, the red ghost pepper, and the Carolina Reaper, all red. That's gonna be a dangerous sauce. Carolina Reaper and ghost pepper sauce. It's gonna be hot, but I'm still fermenting those peppers for that video. So, for that sauce, it's gonna be a red sauce and a yellow sauce, and I'm making flakes, sauce, flakes, and pickle from different peppers. So I'll update you on that. And I've been picking the chocolate peppers, and I'm gonna do something with those. Maybe do a sauce with just chocolate, Jamaican chocolate pepper. It's really hot. Anyway, I'm having fun with it. Having fun. Anyway, here's the greenhouse. I bought a new greenhouse. Yes. The other one was breakdown and wasn't doing good. So this is the new one. It's gonna be a 10 by 20 by 7. And I ordered it. It's on its way. Don't know how I'm gonna manage to set it up. Thing I like about this one, it has 2 doors and four windows. 2 doors on each side. The other one only had one. And it was very hot. So we look forward to that. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please post below.